Guys, did you know that you can enjoy your noodles this way? The first day I made this, I was like, this must repeat and will continue to be repeated in my house. And each time I make this, it disappears in no time. So let me show you how I made it. This is the noodles I'm going to be using. You can basically use any noodles of your choice. It doesn't really have to be this one, but this is lovely. Oh my goodness, if you can be able to find this, go and get it. Okay, I ordered it from Amazon. So in a pot, I'm going to add some water, just a good amount of water, and I'm going to cover the pot and allow the water to come to a boil, and then I'm going to add the noodles. Honestly, this recipe is way easy to follow, like it's self-explanatory, so I'm not going to be talking really much. I will talk where necessary. Alright guys, so right now the noodles are soft enough for me. You don't want to overcook this, as you don't want it to be soggy and mushy when you are eating it. So you want to cook it to your preferred or desired texture. So I went and drained off the excess water, leaving some in the pot because we need a little bit of that liquid to, mix the noodles up. You don't want it too dry either. You want it somewhere in between dry and juicy, So I went in with the packs that comes with the Indomie. The first pack I added, those are green peas, chopped onion, and some other stuff they added in there, but they are dry. So I just added that, and then I went in with the dark sauce, which is the black bean sauce, I think so. This one is not really spicy. It has a little bit of spice in it, but it's not as hot and spicy as the other Samyang noodles. So that's why I prefer this one. And also my kids are going to be eating this, and I don't want it to be really spicy for them. That's why I bought this particular brand of the noodles. But you can do any one you like. You can even use the normal noodles, cook it the way you like, and then wrap it up with a rice paper, right? So after mixing that up, I'm going to set aside, and here is where the magic happens. I'm going to be using this brand of rice paper. You can also get this from Amazon as well, but I got mine from an African store, and you can check your African store around your area. They sell it there. Any Asian store, you can find it there. So you just want to dip the rice paper in some water, just room temperature water. It doesn't have to be cold, it doesn't have to be warm or hot. Room temperature water can do the job perfectly. So you just want to dip it in the water until it becomes a little bit soft. You don't want it to be too soft like nylon inside the water before you bring it out. Just dip it in the water, leave it to sit for some seconds, maybe up to 30 seconds if necessary, and then bring it out, lay it flat on your working surface, add the noodles and wrap it up. It's very easy to follow, like it's not a tedious work. Okay, you just basically follow what I'm doing here, and greasing the plate with some oil will help to prevent the rice paper from sticking to the plate. Again, soak the rice paper in some water, lay it flat on your working surface, add your noodles. Just add as much as you can be able to wrap up. Okay, don't overcrowd the rice paper, and then close it up like so. Easy peasy, right? So I'm going to continue doing this until I'm done, but I'm going to show you another way you can, you know, spice up the whole thing, make it look more appetizing and more healthy as well. Just keep on watching. Alright, so with this one now, I'm going to add some veggies to it. I'll be layering some bell peppers. I'm choosing to go with the green, red and the yellow one. You can use any vegetable of your choice. You can use any color of your choice. You can also add shrimps to this. Like, first of all, spread out the rice paper, put your shrimp first, and then put the indomie or the noodles and then cover it up. It's as simple as that. So for me, I'm going with the bell peppers, the red, the green and the yellow one, and it was so delicious, guys, and crunchy as well. I love the crunchy texture it gave to the noodles instead of plain like that. Alright, so I'm all done with the wrapping section. Now I'm going to make my dipping sauce, and it's just with only 2 ingredients, nothing too serious, nothing fancy. I added some mayonnaise in my plate, and then I added a little bit of sriracha sauce and mixed that together. Guys, this combo is the best for these noodles. Try it out, just try it out. You can find the sriracha sauce on Amazon as well, or in an African shop, Asian shop, right? So go get it and do it exactly the way I've shown you, then come back and give me your feedback. Like, you wouldn't want to make your noodles any other way if you do it exactly the way I've shown you and use exactly the ingredients I've shown you in this video. So that's it, guys, for this video. If you've enjoyed this video, please kindly click the like button, share this video as well to your friends and family members. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Don't forget to try it. Bye.